What you're about to learn in this video could completely reshape the way you work, how much time you spend on your business, and how much money you can generate without increasing your workload. Because right now, thousands of entrepreneurs, freelancers, agencies, and even complete beginners are quietly automating tasks that used to take hours per day. They're creating content automatically, responding to customers automatically, managing orders automatically, and even running marketing systems without touching a single line of code. And the real question is this: if automation can save you 5 to 7 hours every single day, what could you do with that time? Grow faster? Earn more, or finally enjoy life instead of being glued to your laptop? Today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that can automate entire business systems, from content creation to lead generation, customer support, analytics, and workflow management. And here's the twist: these tools are easy to use, scalable, and completely legal and YouTube compliant. Welcome to Padded Vibes. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels from the link in the video description to become a full member of this community so we can connect with you. Now, let's begin this automation journey the smart way. First, let me set the promise. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to automate at least 60 to 80% of repetitive business tasks using these 5 tools. That means fewer headaches, fewer late nights, and more consistent income. As proof, companies have been using automation to reduce workload by up to 70%, and solo entrepreneurs have reported hundreds of hours saved per month. So here's the preview. Tool number 1 automates your business communication. Tool number 2 automates content production. Tool number 3 automates customer support. Tool number 4 handles workflow automation. And tool number 5 automates analytics. There's also a bonus mistake almost everyone makes that causes automation systems to fail, and we'll cover that toward the end. Let's start with tool number 1, Zapier. This is the backbone of automation. Think of it like digital glue that connects your favorite apps together without any coding. Do you want every customer who fills a form to automatically receive a confirmation email, join your subscriber list, and be added to a spreadsheet? Zapier can do that. Go to Zapier.com, click on Sign Up, and create a free account. On the dashboard, you'll find the option to build a workflow called a Zap. A Zap has 2 parts, a trigger and an action. For example, the trigger might be new customer in Shopify, and the action might be send them a customized welcome email through Gmail. You can continue adding multiple actions like send data to Google Sheets, trigger an invoice in Stripe, add them to your CRM, and notify you on WhatsApp. Within a few clicks, you've automated a workflow that used to take you manual effort. Might sound simple, but businesses have scaled entire customer onboarding using this. And here's the mini cliffhanger. There's one crucial setup mistake inside Zapier's filters that most beginners overlook, and we'll get to that shortly. Now that we've covered workflow automation, you're probably wondering how to automate content creation. That's exactly where tool number 2 comes in. Opus Clip at opus.pro. This AI tool takes long-form videos and automatically detects highlights, cuts them into short reels, captions them, and formats them to go viral. Imagine never editing short content again. After signing up, upload your video, select your preferred formats like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, and the AI analyzes speech patterns, emotional spikes, and key phrases. You'll get multiple clips with captions burned in. You can then schedule them through your social platforms, automating your content distribution. This builds on a foundation we discussed in a previous deep dive on content automation, where we unlocked how scheduling tools amplify reach. If you thought scheduling was powerful, automating creation takes it to another level. Keep watching because we will combine this tool with the next one to create an unstoppable content engine. But before content goes live, customers will have questions. And here's where tool number 3 saves you countless hours. TDO, available at tdo.com. This is an AI chatbot and customer service automation platform. It lets you automate responses to frequently asked questions such as shipping times, pricing, store policies, and troubleshooting. Once you sign up, select your industry, connect your website or e-commerce store, and choose a chatbot template. You can customize automatic replies, trigger messages when users show exit intent, and direct conversations to human support only when necessary. This means that instead of answering the same questions 30 times per day, you can handle new customer concerns while AI handles the repetitive ones. This technique builds on automation strategies we explored in the Conversational Support Guide, where we unlocked the secret of using chatbots to increase conversions by up to 40%. Here's a fun fact. Studies show that customer response time under 20 seconds increases sales dramatically. AI gives you that superpower. Now that support and communication are automated, you're probably wondering how to automate the entire back-end workflow so everything runs smoothly. And that brings us to tool number 4, Make.com. This is very similar to Zapier, but more visual, more powerful, and often cheaper. Make allows you to build entire business automations through drag-and-drop modules. You can automate tasks like automatically uploading files, managing employee tasks, sending receipts, updating inventory, and much more. Once inside the dashboard, choose a template such as Automate Content Distribution across social media. Then drag the modules representing TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Gmail, or Notion into the workflow. Select triggers, map fields, and watch it run. Now here's the cliffhanger I promised earlier. Beginners often forget to set conditional filters. Without filters, automation may trigger under wrong circumstances, sending wrong messages or duplicating tasks. Always add conditions that define exactly when the automation should run. Now that we've covered workflows, support, and content, the final missing link is data, because a business can only scale when you have insights. That's where tool number 5 shines, Notion AI, available at notion.so. Notion helps you build a digital brain for your business. After signing up, create pages for content ideas, project management, client pipelines, invoices, financial tracking, or even product inventory. But here's the crazy part. With Notion AI, you can automate reminders, summaries, content outlines, and even classify customer feedback. It can generate reports, prioritize tasks, and suggest improvements. When combined with Make.com or Zapier, every lead, sale, or customer activity can automatically update records. This eliminates messy spreadsheets and forgotten tasks. If you think this is powerful, the way we automate sales funnels using custom databases in a previous guide will truly blow your mind. It ties everything together. Now let's combine all tools in a single automation scenario. Imagine you run online digital products. A customer buys a template from your store. Zapier triggers and adds the customer data to Notion, then sends an automated download email, then notifies you on WhatsApp. TDO answers their follow-up questions automatically. Opus Clip creates short-form promotional videos from your product demo. Make.com distributes those clips across platforms. Notion AI analyzes customer feedback and tells you which products perform best. Within minutes, you've automated marketing, support, analytics, and delivery. But what happens when you use traditional manual methods? It fails, right? Because the moment you try to scale, everything becomes bottlenecked. Emails pile up, customers leave, sales slow down, and you waste hours doing things AI does instantly. That's why automation is not just convenience, it's survival. Now you might wonder, isn't this complicated? That's exactly why you're learning step-by-step frameworks here. You don't need to be a tech genius, and you don't need programming skills. These tools are built for beginners. However, there's a critical mistake 95% of beginners make. They automate tasks they don't understand. Never automate chaos. Instead, follow this 3-phase method. Phase 1, document your manual workflow first. Phase 2, automate the repetitive steps only. Phase 3, test automation under different conditions. If you skip documentation, your automation will break. Those who follow this method see massive time savings. Next, let's talk about industries that benefit the most. E-commerce, blogging, SaaS, affiliate marketing, content creation, coaching, and digital agencies. All of these thrive on repetitive workflows. Now that we've covered the core tools, you're probably wondering how to ensure sustainability. That's where version updates come in. Always revisit your automations every 3 to 4 months. Platforms evolve, APIs change, and your workflows must adapt. One powerful secret most creators don't share is cross-automation, connecting multiple tools into chain reactions. For example, Opus Clip creates content, Make.com publishes it, Notion AI tracks performance, and Zapier updates your marketing CRM. That's the level where businesses run on autopilot. Let's address ethics. All tools mentioned are compliant with YouTube policies, legal, and safe. Automation must never be used to spam, mislead, or violate platform rules. Use automation to serve your audience better. When you deliver instant support, consistent content, and quality information, platforms reward you, not punish you. Now here's the bonus system that almost nobody talks about. Use Notion AI to create automated client proposals. Combine that with Zapier triggers from Calendly bookings. Make.com sends follow-up reminders. TDO answers objections. Opus Clip promotes your wins. This pipeline can turn strangers into paying clients automatically. Remember, automation does not replace humans. It removes frustration, not creativity. It gives you more time to focus on growth, strategy, and innovation. Those who master automation early become unstoppable in 2026 and beyond.